Alright, here's a fun one. No formula, no calculus rules, just geometry. The integral from 0 to 1 of the square root of 1 minus x squared dx. Looks intimidating, right? Let's break it down. As you can see, we can call this part y. Then y equals to the square root of 1 minus x squared. Now let's square both sides of the equation. Y squared equals to 1 minus x squared. Then we add both sides with x squared. Then we have x squared plus y
Please
squared
subscribe me.
equals to 1. That's exactly what we have inside our integral. As we remember from basic geometry, we can write this equation as x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equal to 1. This equation represents a circle with origin of 0, radius of 1. Keep in mind that our integral asking for the area from x equals to 0 from here until x equals to 1. X equals to 1. From the origin to x equals to 1. In other words, we are looking for the area of this blue region here. We know that the area of a full circle is equal to pi times radius square. And since this blue region here is actually 1/4 of a full circle, then we get the area of this blue is equal to 1/4 times pi times radius square, that is 1. 1 square, that equals to pi
Please
over
subscribe me.
4. That's it. No integration rules. Just recognizing a shape and using a formula that you learn in like 6th grade. So next time you see a scary looking integral, take a second. It might just be a circle wearing a disguise. See you in the next one.